Migrants seeking asylum through the RGV are entering a new program. It's meant to move their cases along faster. But some critics say it's too fast. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez explains.
Thousands of migrants keep coming to the United States seeking asylum. Customs and Border Protection are sending many back to Mexico as part of the Migrant Protection Protocol. Some are going through another process. CBP sent a statement. The prompt asylum claim review works to achieve streamlined same-location asylum claim processing at facilities in El Paso and the Rio Grande Valley. PACER was implemented at facilities in RGV at the beginning of December. A little over 1,000 people have been enrolled in PACER since it started. The agency doesn't have public policy posted about how this program works, but it's been in place in El Paso since October. Advocates studying it say this is how it's working there. Under PACER, asylum seekers from countries other than Mexico who are in credible fear proceedings are kept in CBP facilities instead of being transferred to ICE detention centers. This statement is part of a lawsuit filed against the government by the American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU.
Because people are being detained in CBP custody, they don't have the same access to attorneys that they would have in ICE detention centers. And CBP custody doesn't provide for in-person access to attorneys, and it doesn't provide for regular telephonic access to attorneys.
The lawsuit touches on logistical problems already acknowledged by CBP during the surge last year. Two main problems exist with detention in CBP facilities instead of ICE detention centers. ICE detention centers have a tracking system where families and attorneys can locate migrants in their custody. CBP does not. Standards at ICE detention centers also allow for phone usage and space to allow detainees to meet with their attorneys in person. CBP facilities have phones too, but in El Paso, the ACLU found phone time is restricted by CBP from 30 minutes to an hour, and they don't provide space for meeting with the attorneys.
And our plaintiffs were unable to make contact with any person on the list in the 30-minute to an hour time period.
Even if contact is made, attorneys say that time is not guaranteed to yield proper representation.
Giving someone only 30 minutes to an hour to call an attorney, try to, establish an attorney-client relationship, and then get prepared for the most important interview of their life, which could literally have life and death stakes, that's a fundamentally insufficient period of time.
The lawsuit seeks to enforce a right to legal representation for migrants undergoing a credible fear screening. Even though this lawsuit was filed in the District of Columbia about the El Paso implementation, it is aimed at the PACER policy as a whole. This means that whatever a judge rules on it will affect the Rio Grande Valley too. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 6.